So you've crafted your vision board, you've uttered your affirmations daily, you've envisioned the future and the desire that you want 100 times. You're doing everything right. Yet you can't stop thinking about why your manifestation hasn't happened just yet. You overanalyze it. You start feeling like it's never going to happen for you. And you start to become really impatient and frustrated. Now, does this sound familiar? The thing is, working on manifesting a goal can be a thrilling journey, but often it can lead to feelings of anxiety and despair, especially after realizing that it requires more than just positive thinking and reciting affirmations. Manifesting requires patience and trust and the ability to let go and live in the present moment without stressing about the future. Now, if the manifestation process doesn't feel fun or joyful anymore, then it might be time to take a bit of a step back. So how do you know if you're suffering from manifestation anxiety? Well, in a few moments, I will reveal to you the signs. Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, as promised, here are the 4 signs that you may have manifestation anxiety. Number 1 is that you experience chronic worry about running out of time to manifest your goal. Now, the thing is, if you were truly certain that your manifestation was going to become a reality regardless, then why would you experience any worry or stress? Gabby Bernstein says, when you're patient, you let the universe do for you what you cannot do for yourself. You clear space for the energy of the universe to support you in ways that you can't even imagine. Practice patience and allow. So when you start feeling impatient or worried, simply acknowledge it and treat yourself with kindness. Don't beat yourself up over it. Remember that the more that you focus on that feeling, the more it will expand and the more you allow these negative feelings to sabotage your manifestation. Trust the divine and trust the divine timing of the universe because it has a way better plan for you than you even know. Okay, number 2 is that you try to force yourself to be happy all the time. We're often encouraged to force ourselves to be content in all circumstances because we've been taught that unhappy feelings push us away from manifesting our goals and our dreams. Now, yet it's really critical to remember that the universe is all-knowing. Now, it's not like you can trick the universe. Our vibration or our energy frequency is an honest reflection of what we're thinking and what we're feeling deep down inside. You can't fake that or hide that. Keeping an open heart and a positive outlook is essential if you want to manifest all your desires. Okay, number 3 is excessively worrying that your negative thoughts will come true. Now, while it's true that the law of attraction states that thinking on something specific and focusing on it can actually manifest it into reality, and the intention behind our thoughts is much more powerful than that. Now, believing in the power of the universe and trusting that it knows our truest desires is critical when you're trying to manifest what you truly want. Now, despite our negative thoughts being present, we must choose to believe that our deepest longings will be manifested as long as our intentions are rooted in honesty and in love. Now, remember, our thoughts are often not based in reality, and recognizing this can help you to work through all of your worries. Taking control of each thought by questioning its accuracy and then shifting your focus to something that's more positive is a great way to combat this kind of anxiety. Once we learn how to separate fact from fiction, we can start to gain control over our worries and begin to live in the present moment. Okay, number 4 is being excessively afraid of people because you believe that their low vibes are going to harm you. Being excessively afraid of people because you believe that their low vibes will harm you is a form of energy disempowerment. Now, this fear can come from past experiences or from the belief that someone else's energy can disrupt your own, and it disrupts your inner peace and your joy. Now, in order to protect yourself, It's important that you remember that no one else has control over your emotional state. You have the power to choose how you react or how you respond to others, and recognize that energy is fleeting and it changes with each passing moment. Manifesting can be a wonderful practice, especially when you have the right tools to help you overcome the inner blocks that often sabotage your efforts. Now, one of my favorite tools is the Limitless You System. Now, the reason why I love this so much is because it helps you to erase the limiting beliefs that are quietly poisoning you with self-doubt and fear and negativity in a very simple yet very comprehensive way. So if you're struggling in any way right now, whether it's in the form of self-sabotage or self-doubt, negativity, or bad habits like procrastination, or if you just can't seem to overcome your challenges, no matter how hard you try or how hard you want something to happen, then I encourage you to click on the link below and make sure that you check it out. And let's get you living limitless in all the months, years, and decades to come. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you for watching.